Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can boost your Windows 10 PC or laptop performance. So let's get started. So first of all you need to set your power options. So go to the battery icon, right click on it and click on power options. Elsewise go to control panel, hardware and sound and then power options. So here you would see a high performance option, but if you do not see it, then go to Windows Mobility Center located on the bottom left. Then on the battery icon you would see a high performance option. So select it and you would see that option. So click on high performance and select that. So next you need to disable unused apps on startup. So what you need to do is right click on the Windows taskbar and click on Task Manager. So if you see a smaller screen, click on More Details. You would see the detailed view. Then on the top click on Startup. So from here disable all unused apps for Windows Startup. And remember that you should not disable any Windows, Microsoft or any essentials like speaker, keyboard, etc. Only disable those files that you have downloaded and are not needed. For example, I would be disabling the game launcher because I do not need it when I start up the computer. So to disable any program, just click on it and click on disable. For disk cleanup, go to this PC and then select the drive in which your Windows is installed, which is mostly C drive. Right click on the drive and then select properties. Here click on disk cleanup. So it would take some time. I would speed up the video. Once this window appears, click on cleanup files. So it takes a few minutes to complete, so I'd speed up the video. So once this completes, just click on OK. Now this would delete all the trash of your computer that it does not need. Next, click on Start menu and search for defragment and optimize drives. So click on the option and this window would appear. Here select the drive where your Windows is installed, usually the C drive, and then click on optimize. So next you would need to change your performance settings. Click on Start menu and then go to Settings. Then go to System, scroll down and go to About. Here on the right side, click on System Info. So this would open a control panel page. So here you need to go to Advanced System Settings. Here in the Performance section, click on Settings. Then select the option Adjust for Best Performance. This would disable all the animations, so you can turn on any of these if you want and go use the custom setting. Once done, just click on Apply. Now right click on the Start button and click on Run. Once this window appears, just type this name in it that you can see on the right side of your screen and click on OK. This window would appear on the screen, so you need to select all by pressing Ctrl plus A and then delete it. If it says that some files are open, just click on Skip. So after this, again right click on the Start button and again click on Run. Now again type the command that you see on the screen. Repeat the same process, select all and then delete. Again go to Start button and right click and then type the command that you see on the screen. So similarly, again select all and delete. Once you follow all the steps mentioned in the video, just restart your computer and you would see a great difference in your performance of the PC.